When the bank embarked upon the journey of the data program, we picked up Cloudera as our technology platform. At the initial stages, we did due diligence of other platforms also. We find that the robustness and the solutioning, scaling, and the magnitude that Cloudera platform as a platform can handle, and the flexibility it does offer. Because as a bank, we also have normally a key concern about data security. So Cloudera was able to address the aspect of cloud security also very well. With the multiple interactions with the Cloudera management at large in the region, also being able to address the roadmap, which is cloud native and being an adoption of a modernized architecture. So it has eased up the process in the journey altogether.